looking for how to fix this site cannot be reached problem in Chrome on Windows. In this video, I show you how to fix this site cannot be reached. For solving this problem, go to Start bar, then search for Control Panel. Now open Control Panel. Now click on Network and Internet. Now click on Network and Sharing Center. Now click on your Wi-Fi icon. Now click on Properties. Scroll down. Now find out Internet Protocol version 6 TCP IPv6. Disable it. Okay. Close. Now I hope that this method fix this site cannot be reached problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Tomal's Guide.